It's underneath the food pack. You get it?
Oh no!
I'll hold this one for you.
You got it? Awesome.
Oh!
I got it. It's mine. There you go, Daddy. Can you give me a rubber band? Give me. Let me see what yours is. Let's see what yours is. Okay. I got red. Fire. I fire you.
Whoa, don't fire me.
I'm the fire dragon. Fire! Fire coming by! Fire! We got fire on the dragon. Oh.
It's okay, Lula.
Okay. We might be scared of the airplanes.
Yeah, I think they are scared of the airplanes,
We're
actually.
scared of the airplanes, Daddy.
Yeah, probably.
We're scared of the airplanes.
Are you scared of the airplane, Tengu? Ooh, you are scared of the airplane. It's okay.
Go get it.
Mwah.
Before you get Daddy, I'll get for you.
Thank you.
No worries. No worries, Daddy.
My plane's getting beat up.
Yeah, well,
Say thank
that's what happens when you get 3 planes for $1.
Say thank you to me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go, Daddy. Schooled. You
Oh,
have been
we gotta
schooled
get it.
on manners by a preschooler.
Okay.
Hi, Tallulah.
Say thank you once I get it.
Thank you.
Hi,
What do
Tallulah.
you say?
Welcome.
Hi,
There we go.
Tengu.
You're welcome.
Last flight of the dragon wing.
Okay, last flight of the Dragon Wing. Here we go.
Pull.
Whoa.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, was that exciting, Tallulah?
Say
Okay, can you say bye-bye to the people?
bye-bye.